guys, welcome back to my channel. Here I am back with a new video. A moment, if you're new to this channel, just take a moment, subscribe to the channel. Here I am back with a new video. Like, yes, this is a face art again, but this has an eyeshadow as well, and this eyeshadow is little different. I have never tried this one. So yes, let's give it a try and let's see how this turns out to be. So let's start with the video.
Start by applying my Maybelline primer. Okay, so now going for the foundation, I'm going to use the Maybelline 50 foundation in the shade 320. For concealer, I'm going to use the Maybelline Age Whitening Concealer in the shade Caramel. So for now setting our face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Loose Powder. That's in the shade 310 Sun Beige. So now going for an eyeliner part, I'm going to use the Lakme eyeliner. So now going for a graphic eyeliner part. You can use an orange eyeliner, a face paint or an orange eyeshadow. I used an orange eyeliner. So now coming for our face part, for creating that orange base for our flames, I'm going to use an orange eyeshadow from the Makeup Revolution eyeshadow palette, the Forever Fire Flames. Okay, so now creating our flames, I'm gonna use a red face paint to create our flames. Okay, so now coming for our lipstick part, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Paris Richie Creamy Matte Lipstick. That's in the shade 235 Plum Mannequin. Now giving it a highlight, I'm going to use my Maybelline highlighter. That's in the shade 100 Molten Gold.
Guys, so this is the look, like the fire on my face. Like, wow, I am loving my looks. Like, I don't know why, but I am loving. So yeah, this is the look. So I told about the eyeshadow in the starting. The eyeshadow is that this, you apply an eyeliner, then apply a liquid eyeliner above that and just hit it up with glitters on your corners and good to go. So yes, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, subscribe to our channel. Bye.